Once the symptoms and rubrics are added to the analysis, it is time to look at the results. These results are shown on the right-hand side of the window. There are basically two ways of viewing the analysis results. An overview of multiple results based upon the same analysis, or a detailed overview of a single result. The overview of multiple results can be selected by pressing a toolbar button or menu option Menu Analysis Simple List. The 5 standard results mean the following. Standard. This is the standard analysis result based upon factory selected parameters. Small remedies. In this result, smaller remedies are given more importance than large remedies, or polycrests. This compensates for the unequal occurrence of remedies throughout the repertory. Polycrests are not left out of the analysis, it is just that their dominance is reduced. Small rubrics. In this result, the rubrics with few remedies are given more importance than rubrics with a lot of remedies. This way, more characteristic rubrics have more impact on the result than fair and common rubrics. Bönninghausen. In this type of analysis, a remedy is counted based upon its occurrence in related rubrics in the repertory. Bönninghausen analysis is used mainly with the larger and more generic rubrics. Also, correction for polar rubrics is more important. For more information, see section Analysis Bönninghausen. Simple counting. This is a very simple counting like done in the old days with just a pencil and paper. For all rubrics in the analysis, the gradation of all remedies is simply added up. Maybe you are not always interested in all the standard analysis methods that Complete Dynamics offers you. You can decide which analyses are shown and in which order they should occur. You can change this in the Preference settings. See section Preferences for more information. When you look at the Result area, you will notice that no numbers are printed whatsoever. All you see is a bar behind every remedy that shows the relative importance of the remedy. The remedies are sorted in order of importance. The shorter the colored bar, the less important the remedy is in the given result. If you move your mouse over a remedy name, more detailed information is shown in the Windows message area at the bottom. If the mouse is moved over kin, for example, the message area shows for kin, Gina officinalis, relative score 42 from 8 rubrics in 3 symptoms. This means that this is entry number 4. Shin stands for remedy Gina officinalis. It has a relative importance of 42 compared to the highest remedy Coffea, and that the remedy occurred in 8 of the counted rubrics in 3 symptoms. Note that for analysis result simple counting, the relative score is the sum of grades for the given remedy. In all other analysis results, the highest remedy is given the relative value 100, and all other values are relative to this highest value. If you prefer to see numbers in the result, you can press toolbar button meaning Show Numbers On/Off, or Menu Analysis Show Numbers. You will then see this. In some situations you might want to not sort the result in order of importance, but according to the number of symptoms and rubrics a remedy occurs in. You can then press this toolbar button, meaning Sort Analysis on Number of Symptoms Rubrics. You can quickly see the relationship between rubrics and remedies by clicking on either a rubric or on a remedy in the result. The corresponding remedies or rubrics are then printed in a highlight color. Example, clicking on Mind sensitive, oversensitive to noise, painful sensitive, will show the following in the result area. In a glimpse you see which remedies are in that rubric. Or another example, clicking on remedy sulfur will show the following symptom and rubric overview. And in a glimpse you see in which rubrics sulfur occurs. Besides this, the selected remedy is highlighted in the other analysis results as well, so you instantly see the relative ranking in the different analyses. So far for the overview of multiple analysis. Let's now take a look at the detailed overview of a single analysis result. A more detailed overview of a single analysis can be shown in either the table or in the grid view, according to your preference. The detailed overview is selected by pressing either of the toolbar buttons. The table view looks like this. The grid view looks like this. This way you get to see the relationship between rubrics and remedies in a single picture. Of course, this can only be done for a single analysis. Below the raster you see a selection box in which you can switch between the available analysis results. The blocks or dots indicate that the remedy occurs in a rubric with grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 or grade 4. Moving your mouse over a bullet will show you detailed information about the remedy in this specific rubric, including author information. The information is again shown in the message area at the bottom. Moving the mouse over the blue bullet at the crossing of Coffea and Mind Cheerfulness will show the following information: cough, Coffea cruda, Bunninghausen, Gallavardin, etc. and the relative score. If you want more details, just click on the bullet to get the complete remedy information. You can move your mouse over a remedy name at the top of the results to see more information, just like in the overview of multiple results shown earlier. Also, you can highlight remedies or rubrics by clicking on them. And, of course, the toolbar buttons for numbers and sorting order can be used. In some situations, you do not just want to see the top results of an analysis, but want to know exactly where a given remedy occurs in those results. All you have to do is type the abbreviation of the field of the remedy in the Locate Remedy field below the analysis result. The analysis redraws if necessary, skipping part of the results to ensure that your remedy is shown. The remedy you are looking for is automatically highlighted to make it better visible for you. In this example, 28 remedies are not drawn to ensure that remedy Gedodonium is visible. 45 not drawn. Instead of typing the remedy in the Locate Remedy field, you can also click on the result graph and simply type there. If In this situation, you press the escape key, the selection is cleared.